This is a resort king room at the Wynn Las Vegas, which is still one of my favorite properties on the Las Vegas Strip. These rooms are just huge. This is just a starting room. There's tons of space. You can also get it with two queen beds, for families, and there's definitely plenty of room to stash a rollaway bed or a crib in there. The bathrooms are great. You've got tubs and walk-in showers, as well as a separate water closet, aka a place for the toilet. So yeah, this is still one of my favorite hotels on the strip, just because it's so nice and so spacious. And if you book through me, you get a couple extra goodies. So go to tripsandgiggles.com to see more.